with a client of mine over the weekend, and he told me that he has a small factory where he makes juice and water. And a month, he says he pays 2.5 million in power.
What?
2.5 million. And small factory, small, makes water, distilled water and juice. He says, he's about to close, and people will close because you can't afford 2.4 million
every month.
Every month. But even in my house, I pay 250,000. It's crazy.
How much do you pay?
250,000
a month.
Yes, I don't have a factory there in my house. So power is expensive in this country, and it's not. And I think basically it's the way they calculate. There's no system. I think they can inflate, they can deflate. They can raise up, they can raise down. I think they need to do a proper investigation on how even peeling is done for power in Kenya.